Kelly,
Hi, everybody.
take it
Somehow
over.
my video camera has like zoomed in. You can just like see one eye, which is great. Um, Hi, I know you wanted to see me this big. Okay, so as Christy says, you're going to go through your assignments. You're going to look at the PLOs. You're going to, and then that chart, that PDF you saw, there was the long version of the PLO, and then there's the tag version. So it says PLO 1, and then it's like a term, right? And as you know, with hashtagging, you have to get the term, you have to be consistent with the way that you write that, because otherwise you won't be able to tag it consistently through the system. And so you want to, and so I would suggest before you actually think about creating the assignment, you think about what assignments you're going to use, what the PLO you studied on that, and then you're going to tag that page in Mahara. Has anyone used the tagging in Mahara so far? I think some people have.
I
Alan?
think Alan did, yeah.
Is Alan the only one, really?
I have used the tagging, but based on the um,
Your own search term.
yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. No, I mean, of course, as you know with tagging, you can tag something multiple times for multiple reasons. So what we want you to do for this assignment is, let me find my page. Where'd it go? Weird. All right, hold on. Okay. So, so how to tag a page. So you've decided that this learning plan, this is an example, okay? So you've decided that that learning plan PRC 602, you're going to tag it. So you open it up. You go, now you guys are gonna have to move those faces. You go to edit this page on the right-hand side, then you go to edit title and description, and then that opens up, if you scroll down a little bit, the tags area. So then make sure you have that PDF ready because you have to make sure it matches exactly. And you type in PLO1, I'm not doing this right, okay? So don't copy this part, but PLO1 seed scale, okay? Make sure your spaces are correct and all of that. And then that has now tagged this learning plan PRC 602 page with that tag once you save it. Yes, Alan?
You're
Hi,
muted.
Kelly. How do you know that we tag it correctly?
How do you know, or how do I know?
Like, how can we check if we tag it correctly?
Right. So if you tag, the important thing with tagging it correctly is being consistent. If you tagged it correctly, the next time you type in PLO1, drop-down menu will show up. I was hoping it would show on that one, but a drop-down menu will show up of all the other tags that you've done. And so you just
great. Okay. Thank you.
You can also test it. We'll go into that more in detail in tool time this Friday, and I'll show you where you pull up all your tags, and you can see if you miss a space or a dash, and then you can correct it so that they're all the same.
Great,
okay.
Thanks, Kelly.
Yep. So once you've created all of your page, you've tagged all the pages that you want to tag for this assignment, I would suggest that you create a collection. And when you create a collection, and I'm calling this collection tags, which isn't a good name, so come up with a better name, and then edit the collection, it will show you all of the pages in your ePortfolio, and all you have to do is drag and drop or select on the little select buttons. And then you can order it here even. So it's good, it's good to have thought about all the other things first and then build your collection as the very last thing you do. So I have my 3 that I wanted for this, well, let's call it 4, because there should be 4 pages, 2 from your one course and 2 from the other course. And then you say done. I don't know why it's doing that. And then you can see I have a collection here called tags that has 4 pages. And if you see the 4 pages that are part of it. And then when you want to submit this for an assignment, it's the same way you submitted any other page in Mahara in Moodle, right? You go into the assignment, you select the name tags as the collection, and then hit submit. Okay? I know that was very fast.